Welcome to the world of fun! Yay! And today, Bluey and Bingo are going to help us make some slime! So I hope you follow along with me and Bluey and Bingo on how to make slime. And these are the things you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing like a bowl and a spoon, some paint or like food coloring, some liquid starch. I'm using the Stafford kind. The last thing you're going to be needing is some school glue. I'm using Elmer's. So first you're going to add your glue in. Then you're just going to mix it up like that. Then you're going to add your color of your choice. I'm using blue because Bluey is blue. I'm going to add some of that in. Then you're just going to mix it until it's that color. But the white might change the color of it because white makes colors like light colors. So as you can see, it's turning like a light blue color. So you're just going to keep mixing that. And then you're basically done with your slime. All you need to do now is add in your liquid starch. So let's pour that in. Oh boy, that's a bit too much, but that's okay. It'll help form the slime even better. So now, just gonna go ahead and mix it. See, now it's forming, as you can see. Then I'm just going to go around and collect all the glue so it could form with this bunch, this bundle. So I'm just going to keep doing that. And when I'm going to poke it, okay, I feel it's ready. Now you're going to obviously do this when you personally think it's ready. So I'm just going to take it out and start kneading it. See, it's forming into slime a bit. It's gooey, and see there's a white bit, but that's okay. It'll just mix right in with the rest of the slime, the color. So I'm just going to keep mixing it. And if it's like too gooey, then you could like add the leftover liquid starch that you had in your dish. So hopefully now it's going to start forming properly. Okay, see, now this is the thing you want to see. See, this is perfect. See? So now, like, it's going to be a bit sticky, but that's okay. Slime is supposed to be sticky. Unless you keep kneading it and you add more activator, which is the liquid starch. So I'm just going to go ahead and knead it until it's ready and not so sticky anymore. Okay. So it's not that stretchy, but if I keep kneading it, it should make a difference. See, now it's getting more stretchy as we go into it. And believe me, I'm not so sure this is a good idea to put your feet in because it's sticky, all right. So I'm just going to keep mixing it. And here's your slime. And now I'm just going to wipe up this area so you can see it even better. Okay, so now you could see the slime. And so this is your slime. And I also made some bingo slime too. Here's the bingo slime. It's orange like Bingo. Okay, so let's put Bluey and Bingo right in their color of slime. Yay! This is so much fun! Okay, I hope you guys enjoy and subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye!